BYD is revolutionizing the EV industry with the debut of its cutting-edge plug-in hybrid powertrain. This groundbreaking technology is setting new standards with its record-breaking performance and efficiency. With a complete redesign of its engine and transmission, BYD is making bold promises. But can they deliver, and when can enthusiasts get their hands on this game-changing innovation? Let's dive into this exciting development and explore what's on the horizon. Enjoying the content? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Recently, BYD unveiled its fifth-generation DM series plug-in hybrid powertrain, offering three versatile configurations: the all-purpose DMI, the performance-focused DMP, and the off-road-ready DMO. Boasting an unparalleled thermal efficiency of 46.06%, this powertrain sets a global benchmark, while its astonishingly low fuel consumption of just 2.9 liters per 100 kilometers solidifies its place as a leader in efficiency. With an impressive range of 2,100 kilometers, this powertrain reflects years of meticulous engineering alongside BYD's advanced battery technology. The first cars to showcase this innovative powertrain will be the BYD Kin L-DMI and Seal 06 DMI. But before we dive into these vehicles, let's take a moment to explore BYD's journey to becoming a major force in the EV world. Founded in 1995 as a rechargeable battery company, BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, has evolved into a global powerhouse in electric vehicles. Headquartered in Shenzhen, China, the company was brought to life by visionary entrepreneur Wang Chuanfu. In 2003, BYD introduced its first car, the compact and affordable F3 sedan, which quickly gained popularity for its fuel efficiency and accessibility. Just 5 years later, BYD broke new ground with the launch of the F3DM, one of the first plug-in hybrids, marking a pivotal moment in electric mobility. Today, the company continues to innovate with models like the BYD Kin L-DMI and Seal 06 DMI, offering cutting-edge technology to the world. The BYD Kin L stands as a fierce competitor in the midsize sedan market, rivaling models like the Toyota Camry. Both vehicles feature a 1.5-liter, four-cylinder, naturally aspirated engine, paired with either a 120 kilowatt or 160 kilowatt electric motor. The Kin L's battery options, ranging from 10.08 kilowatt hours to 15.87 kilowatt hours, provide an electric-only driving range of 80 to 120 kilometers, depending on the variant. With its remarkable efficiency and range, the Kin L redefines what a modern hybrid sedan can achieve. BYD's engines are fully production-ready and available to customers. Following this announcement, BYD's stock experienced a boost, with shares jumping almost 7% a week after the launch. BYD isn't just driving, they're speeding past the competition. CLSA has made predictions that, by 2026, BYD will enter the top 5 automakers in the world. With 92-octane gasoline priced at 7.4 yuan, approximately $1.05 per liter, the running costs are around 0.25 yuan per kilometer. This brings it closer to the cost of pure electric vehicles, which average about 0.16 yuan per kilometer. BYD pioneered plug-in hybrid technology in 2008 by launching its first hybrid car. However, other automakers have since released their own models with impressive ranges. For example, on May 24th, Aways introduced the L7, boasting a 254-kilometer electric-only range, fuel consumption of 3.8 liters per 100 kilometers, and engine thermal efficiency of 41.8%. In March, Geely Auto also revealed a hybrid system offering a range of over 2,000 kilometers, fuel consumption as low as 2 liters per 100 kilometers, and thermal efficiency above 46%. Aside from local brands, BYD is competing with Toyota and Honda. While Toyota and Honda's hybrid engines have a thermal efficiency of around 41%, BYD's fifth-generation DM engine stands out with its higher efficiency of 46.06%. However, the admission raised questions about BYD's environmental practices. While the company took steps to address the contamination, The presence of hazardous chemicals in vehicles designed for eco-friendly transportation created doubts among consumers and environmentalists alike. In 2019, BYD won a massive contract with Qbuzz Netherlands, which ordered over 250 electric buses for the ESS-Elder region in the Netherlands. However, just months later, it emerged that Qbuzz had made undisclosed arrangements with BYD during the bidding process, amounting to what authorities saw as fraud. Although Qbuzz initially retained the contract as an emergency measure to keep the bus network running, they lost it after 2022 when a new provider, EBS, was chosen to take over. In spite of all these controversies, one thing is clear: BYD takes the lead in the EV industry. Generally, independent mechanics are known for their more individualized care and cheaper rates, but they often have difficulty obtaining the equipment and diagnostic software required for extensive repairs. Self-employed mechanics frequently take great pride in their work and cultivate enduring bonds with their clients. However, these mechanics might be limited in the range of services they can offer if they do not have access to the relevant data and updates from manufacturers. As a result of proprietary software constraints, the landscape of auto maintenance and repair is changing. This simply means that these mechanics risk losing customers, and the customers themselves would spend more on repairs. The auto repair landscape is evolving, and not necessarily for the better. In an attempt to reduce the impact on independent technicians, some manufacturers are providing repair information, diagnostic tools, and manuals to mechanics, though often at a cost. This helps repair shops service EVs, but limits free access. EV companies also perform many repairs remotely through software updates, reducing the need for in-person service. To fill these gaps, some deploy mobile technicians. However, completely relying on remote fixes and mobile reps risks limiting the role of independent shops. As a result, some manufacturers collaborate more closely with third parties through training, tools, and support. Customers are also worried that automakers may be economizing by sacrificing some features. This calls for rapid attention because producing vehicles that are less dependable or have shorter lifespans could discourage customers from purchasing them in the future. This may start a cycle where businesses cut costs without addressing underlying quality issues. If vehicles become less dependable due to cost-cutting initiatives, consumers may feel less confident in purchasing electric vehicles. This could slow down the transition toward more environmentally friendly transportation, as quality and trust remain critical factors in customers' choices of automobiles. Navigating the high stakes of owning and maintaining EVs, it isn't uncommon for customers to want to cash in on their automobiles. One barrier, however, is the perception that electric cars are less robust. If this belief persists, the resale value of EVs may decrease dramatically. This decrease could cause prospective customers to avoid buying an EV, further challenging the market for these cars. It's also possible that the infrastructure for electric vehicles, such as maintenance facilities and charging stations, won't expand quickly enough to meet demand. If charging or maintaining an EV becomes too difficult, people may choose to continue driving conventional gasoline-powered vehicles.